If you record your screen or do live streaming on YouTube, Twitch or anywhere, and during your live stream or during your screen recording, you don't want to show these top bars, like this one is menu bar, there is address bar, here you type the address. In the meantime, you don't want this icon bar here in the bottom. You can get rid of this one in OBS Studio while recording screen or doing live stream. So let's go to the OBS and see how we can get rid of this one. I'm here in OBS Studio now, and I'm gonna delete this one first. Remove, yes. Go to plus icon, screen capture, alright, and this is 1920 by 1080 by default. Press OK. Drag it from the corner and make it full screen. As you can see that it is 1920 by 1080 or 4K resolution, whatsoever you set, but there are top and bottom bars. Now, right click, go to transformation, edit transformation. If I go to browser, you can see that the top 1, 2, 3, this is a huge place, but bottom is the less place. Let's fix it. Go to this place. Now you can set here 1920 by 1080 if you like, or leave it default. In the bottom section, you type 116, and here you type 58. Hit OK. And now you can see that these are the black bars. You can get rid of them as well. Right click again, transformation, and fit to the screen. Once again, you can see this one, top black bar and bottom black bar. Right click again and transformation and stretch to the screen. Now you can see there are no black bars anymore. Let's record a video to test. Go to start recording, minimize. Go to your browser. Now we are scrolling here, and in the meantime we are recording. Now go to studio again, stop the recording, and now go to your finder, find this recording. Here is the recording. If I play, make it a little bit smaller so that you can see, and if I play now, boom, here you go. You can see that in the top here there is nothing like address bar, and in the bottom you can't see the icons as shown in this tray. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and write in the comments if you still have any kind of questions. Bye.